Welcome to CMAS Academy of Excellence. CMAS, Sorbonne Education Mental Arithmetic System, which is brought to India by Dr. Shehan Pushpanathan, who is the Chairman and Managing Director of CMAS Academy and Country Head of PAMA India. PAMA is the Pan-Pacific Mental Arithmetic Association. CMAS is the ISO 9001-2000 certified, recognized and affiliated to international bodies apart from being members of PAMA, Taiwan Chamber of Commerce, Taiwan, Osaka Chamber of Commerce, Japan, and Chinese and Japan Abacus Association. It is having its international headquarters at Chennai. It is the only recognized Indian institution with advanced concept of scientifically developed syllabus and highly structured teaching techniques, which helps as a complement system to Indian school maths curriculum, thereby enhancing concrete and comprehensive ways of solving arithmetic sums accurately and rapidly, which ultimately improve the hidden capacity of the children. What is abacus? Many may have a question. Actually, it aims to a mental calculation at right brain development of the children, which is aged between 5 to 15 years. The Sorbonne, as it is called in Japan, is a concrete bead-based instrument which foster value concepts easier for a 5-year-old child and increase the comprehensive skill of the child. And it is a complement and supplement system to the Indian education, mainly mathematics curriculum of Indian curricula. An abacus trained student is very fast in mental calculations, developing better concentration, permanent visual memory in spatial arrangement, very excellent in speed writing, speed reading and listening skills, better and faster information processing in the brain, all of which ultimately results in improved IQ level and overall academic performance. Normally, abacus learned children are very bright in their academic curriculum. CMAS sends students to national and international competitions every year. The national competitions are being held at 2 places, South and North, so that all the children are given an opportunity to get selected for the PAMA international competitions being held at every year. In 2008, PAMA India was the host, and consecutively Taiwan, Malaysia, Thailand, in all the places the international competitions were held, and recently in 2013 40 students have participated in the international competition held at Hong Kong and were awarded lot of prizes. It is a big it dignifies the CMAS Academy, and we are all very proud of our children. Now, what is abacus education? Abacus is a concrete bead-based system which helps to do the arithmetic sums very fast mentally. Now, you may all ask why it is introduced in India and what is the main use of this. Now, I would like to tell you, these are all the very important aspects in the age of the children between 10 to 15 years. And mainly it is an international, it has its international concept with scientifically developed study materials. It provides skills to bring out the hidden talents of students. The categorical development of concentration, photographic memory, perfect observation, broad imagination, intellectual curiosity, inspiration, information processing, insight and institution skills, which certainly improves academic ability of the learners. It is a supportive and complementary education which go hand in hand with the Indian school curriculum. The enhancement of overall performance of your students, which ultimately enhance the overall academic results. It eases the burdens of mental stress and strain of the children, teachers and parents. Now, SEEMA's Academy of RK branch is going to give you an insight of what is the powerful impact of this abacus education in the minds of the younger generation. I, being the coordinator of SEEMA's Academy now, welcome you all for the live demo show. Please come and enjoy the show. Thank you, one and all.